When we think about the ideal learning environment, what comes to mind first? Usually, it's a place that's comfortable, quiet, and free from any distractions. We've all been told that a quiet place is more suitable for learning, where there's no background media playing to interrupt our concentration. For example, maybe your parents won't let you listen to music while doing your homework, insisting on complete silence. And research findings also shows that quiet place is required in library for better learning experiences. Many see learning as requiring focus, concentration, and reflection. In a quiet place, distractions are minimized, allowing individuals to engage deeply with their studies or practice. Quiet places are often perceived as solitary, where one can retreat from social interactions to fully concentrate on learning. Psychologically, quiet environments promote calmness and tranquility, believed to enhance cognitive function and reduce stress, leading to clearer thinking and better learning. In a quiet setting, deep learning involves sustained, focused attention on complex tasks, facilitating improved retention and comprehension. However, is this really the case? I don't think so. In the belief that quiet environments foster deep learning, several crucial factors are often overlooked. One question first. Where do we usually go when we want to study or work? Many of us choose places like libraries or coffee shops. But have you ever wondered why people choose to work in a coffee shop despite it being crowded and noisy? The answer lies in the theory of white noise. It's not just about drowning out the individual sounds around you. It's about creating a consistent background noise that can actually enhance focus and productivity. Research shows that certain types of background noise, like ambient sounds or low-level chatter, can help with concentration. So, it turns out that listening to music can indeed make you more productive, as long as you choose the right type of music or sound, like white noise or classical music. Background media can play a crucial role in optimizing our study environments. But can this concept extend to online platforms like YouTube? For the studying at home, whether after classes or limited to online schooling, focus can be a tough thing to obtain, especially when there's a computer at your work desk. The temptation to watch YouTube, play video games, draw, or listen to music is just too great. And for these situations, study with me videos have become the perfect medicine. But what exactly are study with me videos? In short, they are pre-recorded or live YouTube videos where students film themselves studying. These videos aims to help others gain more focus, work on productivity, avoid distractions, and find motivation. Generally, there are two types: live streams of individual studying and pre-recorded videos. Authentic and fictional elements increase immersion in these videos. Study with me YouTubers decorate their rooms and videos in specific ways to appeal to viewers. This could include decorated rooms or desks, Pomodoro timers, ambient sound, relaxing music, and study apps or extensions. Almost every video features a Pomodoro timer, essential for time management. These timers show study blocks and breaks, providing structures for both the viewer and the creator. But beyond visuals, study with me videos offer much more. They improve time tracking, help with focus, aid in time management, and combat lack of motivation and isolation. Viewers found these videos helpful for various reasons. Some struggle with time tracking and consistency, while others appreciate the accountability and structure provided by the Pomodoro technique. Study with me YouTubers often share personal experiences, creating a sense of camaraderie and motivation among viewers. This parasocial relationship fosters connections and helps students feel less alone in their studies. Many creators have built communities around their channels, offering Discord service, focus apps, and even giveaways. These communities provide support and encouragement, further reducing feelings of isolation. While creators can directly communicate with viewers, emotional contagion plays a role in fostering accountability. Seeing someone else study diligently can inspire viewers to do the same. So, whether you are struggling with focus, time management, or motivation, Study With Me videos offers a supportive and immersive environment to help you succeed in your studies. In summary, whether it's creating the perfect ambience with white noise or immersing yourself in a virtual study session through Study With Me videos, finding the right learning environment is essential for productivity. The diversity of learning styles is often neglected. While quiet settings may suit some individuals, others thrive in more dynamic or social learning environments. The role of stimulation is crucial. Some people benefit from background noise, and complete silence may hinder rather than facilitate learning. Understanding individual differences in sensory preferences is vital for optimizing learning environments. The key is to find the learning environment that suits you and the kind of work you're doing the most. It's all about finding what works best for you to create the perfect study environment.